Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm your Mr. English Teacher Language Guide here with Speak Organic English. Today, I want to invite you into a meaningful lesson that centers around a very special time of the year, Thanksgiving. If you're someone looking to improve your English in a natural and conversational way, you're in the right place. This session is designed specifically for learners at the intermediate to advanced level, and we'll be exploring phrases, expressions, and cultural details that are commonly used during this holiday. Now let's begin by understanding the spirit of Thanksgiving. It's more than just a national celebration. For many people, it's a time to pause, reflect, and appreciate the good things in life. One of the biggest highlights of this day is, of course, the food. Traditional meals usually include turkey, creamy mashed potatoes, buttery green beans, sweet cranberry sauce, savory stuffing, and a slice of warm pumpkin pie for dessert. Each of these dishes is more than just delicious, they're symbolic of the holiday itself. When visiting someone's home for Thanksgiving, there are certain expressions and polite phrases that are good to know. The first and most obvious one is simply wishing someone a happy Thanksgiving. It's a warm greeting that fits naturally into conversation, whether you're arriving, leaving, or just chatting around the dinner table. For many holidays in English, we use the word happy, like happy birthday or happy new year. However, Christmas is a bit different since we usually say Merry Christmas. Still, for Thanksgiving, it's perfectly standard to say Happy Thanksgiving. Before the meal begins, it's very common for families to have a moment of gratitude. This is when someone might suggest that everyone say grace. Saying grace is a brief prayer or expression of thanks for the food and the company. Some people might close their eyes, hold hands, or bow their heads during this moment. If you're ever invited to a Thanksgiving meal and someone says let's say grace, now you know it's a moment of reflection and appreciation. As the food is passed around, you'll want to use polite expressions like could you pass the gravy or could you pass the cranberry sauce. These phrases are not only useful but expected in polite conversation. You might also say please pass the turkey or would you mind handing me the rolls. These expressions show good manners and respect for the people around you, which is especially important during a holiday focused on gratitude. Now let's talk about a fun phrase you might hear during this time, gobble gobble. This silly expression mimics the sound that a turkey makes. But it's also used in a playful way to describe eating quickly and happily, especially when the food is just too good to resist. You might hear someone joke that they're going to gobble up their meal, meaning they plan to enjoy every bite with enthusiasm. When everyone is ready to begin eating, you might hear the phrase let's eat or even bon appetit. While English doesn't have its own unique phrase for this moment like some other languages do, many English speakers borrow the French expression bon appetit. Even those who don't speak French at all will use it casually to say let's begin the meal together. It's a light and cheerful way to kick things off. Thanksgiving is not only about the food. It's about connection, togetherness, and giving thanks for what we have. Whether you're celebrating with family, friends, or even virtually, these phrases and customs help you participate more fully in the holiday experience. Practicing this kind of English helps you feel more confident in social situations and brings you closer to understanding American culture. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, there's so much more waiting for you. Be sure to check out all the English learning resources available on my website. You'll find blog posts, vocabulary lessons, pronunciation tips, conversational guides, and much more to support your journey toward fluency. Everything is designed to help you speak naturally and with confidence. Thank you for joining me in this special session today. I hope you feel more prepared to enjoy Thanksgiving and express yourself clearly and kindly during the celebration. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, learning English should be fun, engaging, and filled with real-life moments just like these. Until next time, take care and keep going strong with your English journey.